It's time to craft. Let's go. Well, hello, my joyful subbies. Welcome back to the channel. Happy New Year, guys. I pray that you had a blessed holiday. And guys, today, January the 8th, 2026, is the first DIY that I have uploaded to the channel since the new year began. Guys, this is a very easy, budget-friendly DIY. So make sure that you head on over to the Dollar Tree, pick you up a gift box for Valentine's Day, and you will be able to create this project. Let's go.